In this video, we will review Glossgenius. Glossgenius is an all-in-one business management platform that is tailored for beauty and wellness professionals. It also offers features such as client management, online booking and payment processing, as well as marketing tools. This can all help streamline operations and enhance client experience. The pros of Glossgenius are user-friendly interface, client reviews, mobile accessibility, and comprehensive features. However, there are some cons. Some cons involve pricing, learning curve, as new users might experience a brief adjustment to fully utilize all the features effectively, and performance issues. In summary, Glossgenius is a robust platform that can help you significantly and enhance your efficiency and professionalism in your beauty and wellness business. However, potential users should be aware of performance issues and price to determine if it aligns with their specific business needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.